I'm going to show you how to do an oil change on your Toro Snow Blower. Most of the snow blowers that Toro make have a little outlet part that sticks out for your oil change. That's pretty awesome. So what I do is I run the mower for about 5 minutes so the oil gets warm and it can run easily, and it kind of stirs it up so everything, all the sediment can get out. Then I'm going to open up your oil cap, get a 10 millimeter, put it on here, and break this loose. I cut this milk jug so it fits in here easily. Most Toro motors are like this. The 9/28, 10/28, and 12/28 all have the bigger wheel, or 11/28, so it's a little bit more difficult, but with the smaller wheels, you're going to be able to fit this in there better. There, I got that 10 millimeter bolt out. Now I'm just going to let it drain out. Trying to make a mess here. As you can see, it's draining out. When the longer you let it warm up, the faster it'll drain out. Loosen up your cap so the air can get in. It should drain out about 3/4 of a quart. I haven't dripped one drop yet, so this milk jug is actually working out nicely. I'm going to do a video of how to change the spark plug too. I'll show you the kit, I recommend you buy the kit when you buy these Toros, because if you buy the $20 kit, you get a quart of oil, fuel treatment, and a spark plug. And the fuel treatment is $9 already, typically at a hardware store. So if you buy the kit, you get an extended year or 3-year warranty on these machines. So I got a 4-year warranty on this engine if you buy the kit. So if you're gonna do an oil change on your Toro, you might as well just buy the kit. You get the fuel treatment, the 1 quart of oil. Pretty sure this takes 1 quart of oil, and you get your spark plug. The spark plug is a BPR6ES 7131 in NGK. I position the snowblower so it's leaning a little bit to this side. That way everything can come out nicely, and there's not make sure it's at least level. You don't want it tilted the other way, that way maybe it won't come out, everything won't come out. I have a great video of this snowblower in action. It's a 9/28. Great video of it in action. I've never clogged it. It's got the plastic chute. They don't make the plastic chute anymore. They're pretty heavy duty now, the newer 2019, 2020 models and newer, but you know, the metal chutes obviously are not going to break. These plastic chutes have a lifetime warranty. There we go. Got about a quart out. I really didn't drip. It's dripping right now, but big deal. I'm going to put this back in. $10 millimeter. Give her a good snug, not too tight. You don't want to strip it out. Now that I added about 3/4 of this oil, I'm going to put this snowblower on level ground, run it, and check the level of the oil before I add any more. Now that I ran it for a few minutes, I'm going to check the oil. I'm going to add some more. This oil is formulated for cold weather starts. So I'm sure it's made by some big oil company, but Toro put their name on it, and maybe there is something different. I'm not sure. If anybody knows the difference between cold weather formulated oil and just regular 530, please let me know in the comments below. I'm curious, and I'll pin it to the top. That's about all I need to add. I'll put in the description everything I use on this oil change, which is basically a 10 millimeter and 530 cold start formulated Toro oil.
And just like that, I have a new problem. My pull cord shredded. I'm going to leave a link in the description and at the end for a replace pull cord video and a spark plug video. Thank you for watching.